This is my 2011 Subaru WRX. I just bought this thing, let's say, I don't know, 2 weeks ago now, and I'm planning for this to be my project car. I don't really know a lot about cars. I would like to learn a whole bunch, and I've got a bunch of things that I would like to either fix about this thing or change about this thing. The very first thing I want to do is get rid of all these dealer stickers on there, and then I'm going to take off, what is this, vinyl stickers on the door. I want to get rid of those. I don't like the way those look. It just kind of comes out. Can you guys see that? I don't know. Maybe you guys can see that. I'll be honest, it's bright outside. I can't see anything right now. Anyway, so I want to do that. Got a little door ding that I gotta get rid of. I've got some rust on the door here. Not too bad. And if you look right back here around the back of the car, that rust spot on the metal, I want to get rid of that, as well as I believe inside the door, it's on the door panel, I've got to get rid of some of this. Like, this is just, I don't know what that is, if that's metal or if that's just the seal. I think that's metal. Looks like metal. Anyway, I want to fix that. The interior looks fine. I don't really know what to do about the interior. If you guys have any ideas, I'm definitely open. I'm definitely new when it comes to working on cars and doing all that. Like, I do want to learn. I did buy this car with the intention of having it be a project car and just, I don't know, trying to learn more about cars, I guess. I've always been kind of interested in cars, so this is kind of my step in, step into the lake. I don't know if that makes sense. I guess I can start it up for you guys and you guys can see how it sounds. It's got a decent exhaust on it. I don't know if it's just the stock one or what, but I mean, it sounds all right. I've been driving standard my whole life now, I guess 10 years now. My whole life isn't 10 years. I've just been driving for 10 years now. Anyway, I'm gonna hop in it. I'll do a little drive-by and then I'll let you see how it sounds. It's got a turbo in it, whatever the hell that means. I gotta learn about those. Like, I'm brand new. I would like to be able to learn and just figure out what's going on. Yeah, leave a comment, point me in the right direction, give me some ideas. I think the next video that I want to do is I'm gonna remove those vinyl stickers and maybe I'll see about starting up the, fixing in the dents, or I'm actually gonna start with that motor noise. I think that motor noise, unless that's just me being dumb, I think that motor noise is number one. I do have a video of that. I'm gonna put that in there. I guess that's pretty much it. This is obviously video number one, so hopefully the quality will get better, but don't bet on it. Subscribe if you want to stick along, see any videos I drop about this thing. Literally anything I do about it, I'm gonna try and make it into a video or something. Like, I want to document the process and really, like, learn the car, make some mistakes. I don't know, just do all that. There's lots to learn, and I want this thing to last. So now this is the tricky part. I gotta try and set it up somewhere. Yeah, I don't have a tripod or like a microphone or anything, so I gotta go find I don't know, like a stick that I can prop my phone up against. Hopefully get a decent video. All right, that's gonna have to do for now. That's gonna be my tripod. So we'll set it up. Can you guys see that? Hold on. We'll just lean it up against it. I'll just put it here. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna look at this after. I mean, hopefully I press record. Yeah, I'm gonna start it, and then, yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you think. I think it's pretty fucking cool. You let me know. I'll be honest, I do not know, let's say, well, I'll just say, I know next to nothing about cars. But I do want to turn this car into a project car. I want to spice it up. You know, it's a 2011. It's got 170,000 kilometers on it. So, you know, still in decent shape. I really enjoy it. It's got a couple things that I do want to look at, a couple things I do want to fix, like, for example, faded headlights. I want to fix those. I want to fix the antenna on the back. I want to fix, there's a couple rust spots. There's like some vinyl stickers on the door that, I don't know. I don't even know why they're there. I would like to put mud flaps on the thing. I want to see if the suspension's all right. Like, I want to completely go over this thing and really, I don't know, this is like my opportunity to learn about cars, I guess. So first things first, obviously this headlight isn't bad, but it's starting to fade, like you guys can see that. And then this one is just faded horribly, but still fixable or replaceable, whatever. I've got crack in the bumper here that I need to fix. Can you see that? I've got a scratch here, got a couple scratches in the paint, so you know, I'm open to literally changing the paint altogether. I'm open to just fixing up the paint. Got a couple little door dings that I gotta either get out or learn how to compound that. I don't know. I'll learn. That antenna on the top, not sure if I mentioned that. I want to get rid of, like, you know, dealer stickers. I want to get rid of maybe the Subaru, keep the WRX, maybe paint it or something. Got the Subaru on this side, get rid of that. Get rid of Impreza, rid of the all-wheel drive thing, really clean up the back. Change the spoiler, that would be awesome. Obviously new tires and all that. Like, I'm trying to completely transform this thing. It is a daily driver, but I do want it to be fun. I want it to be a really nice car, and that's kind of the whole reason that I bought this thing, really. That's the car. Let me know what you guys think. I really like it. I've been driving cars like this. Well, not like this. I've been driving standard cars all my life, but I grew up watching Fast and Furious. Always loved those cars. Fun fact, I was in one of those cars, or a couple of them actually. I'll show you some pictures. Yeah, I've always wanted like a nice project car. I love Fast and Furious 2, that scene where they all come flying out. It's my favorite. I've got a few things that I want to do, like obviously the rust. I want to fix that up. I want to change up the interior a little bit. Maybe like that's way after, once I fix it up. And I don't know if this is like a thing with just cars that are, because this is from 2011, right? So I don't know if this is a thing with those kinds of cars, but like there's, what is it? Oh yeah, when I'm in cold start, right, it has like a little bit of a shake. I don't really have a lot of ideas. I would really like to have this turn out just nice, you know, nice, fun, decently safe. Like, I'm gonna be driving it every day kind of thing, so I want it to be fun. Really appreciate you guys watching. Anybody who stuck around, thank you so much. Leave a comment, subscribe, see future videos of me working on this thing. Comment, give me some ideas. What else? Yeah, I don't know. I guess that's it. All right. See you later.